Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to block or how to disable emo call from unknown number or from some specific person. Actually sometimes we can see that some of unknown person try to call us every day, and we actually disable our that person call from emo. We can directly block, but block is not the solution. You can disable call for unknown number or for some specific person. So let me show you some demo. You can see I have two phone in my hand. Okay, so if I try to call to this phone, let me show you. You can see I just got call from my this phone to this phone. Okay, so let me do something in my emo and I will show you later what will happen. So I did something in my emo. So let me call again to this number, and you can see cannot call this user due to his or her privacy setting. Okay, so if I try to call again, I didn't get any call, but I just received some notification. Okay, so if you want to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store, and after that you need to update your emo application first. So after updating it, let me click here open option, and after that let me click here this profile icon. Then you need to find out one option which is call block. Okay, so let me click here security setting, this option, and you can see in here privacy section, and in that privacy section you can see call. So let me click here call option, and maybe in your phone you will find out like this everyone. Okay, so either you can choose my contact, I mean only if you save some contact in your phone, that time they can only call you. Okay, either you can choose nobody, I mean no one can call you, and sometimes you can choose never allow, I mean exception. Just click here never allow, and you can add some of the number, and if I add this number, that time these three person couldn't call me. Okay, so you can choose any one of them, but if you really don't want any call, that time you can choose nobody, either you can choose my contact. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can disable your emo call for unknown number or for some specific person. So that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kind of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks.